Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Absa Bank interest rates. As a valued customer, understanding how interest rates work is crucial to making informed decisions about your finances. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, it is essential to understand what interest rates are. Interest rates are the percentage at which interest is paid on a loan or deposit. At Absa Bank, interest rates vary depending on the type of account or loan you have. To get started, you need to know the current interest rates offered by Absa Bank. You can find this information on the Absa Bank website or by visiting your nearest branch. The interest rates are usually updated regularly, so it is crucial to check for the latest rates. Once you have found the current interest rates, you can use the Absa Bank interest rate calculator to determine how much interest you can earn on your deposit or how much you will pay on a loan. The calculator is available on the Absa Bank website and is easy to use. When using the interest rate calculator, you will need to provide some basic information such as the amount you want to deposit or borrow, the interest rate, and the term of the deposit or loan. The calculator will then give you an estimate of the interest you can earn or pay. It is also important to understand the different types of interest rates offered by Absa Bank. These include fixed interest rates, variable interest rates, and tiered interest rates. Fixed interest rates remain the same for the term of the deposit or loan, while variable interest rates can change over time. Tiered interest rates offer different interest rates based on the amount deposited or borrowed. In addition to understanding the different types of interest rates, it is crucial to consider the fees associated with your account or loan. These fees can include monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and loan initiation fees. To get the most out of Absa Bank interest rates, it is recommended that you shop around and compare rates before making a decision. You should also consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing or borrowing. In conclusion, using Absa Bank interest rates is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of interest rates and how they work. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the Absa Bank interest rate calculator, you can make informed decisions about your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always consider the fees associated with your account or loan and to shop around for the best rates.